ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इसलिए मिटाना चाहते हैं।
Hello दोस्तों, 89 seats across 12 states and the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir will vote in the second phase of Lok Sabha election 2024 on April 26. Kerala will see voting in all its 20 Lok Sabha constituencies. The other states where voting will take place are Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Tripura. One state in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir will also vote on April 26. In the first phase of polling in Lok Sabha election, electorate in 102 constituencies in 21 states and union territories had voted on April 19. As has been the norm, voting will commence at 7 am on April 26 and conclude at 5 pm with an extra hour being provided as a buffer period for voters who are already present in the voting line. The vote will be counted and results will be announced on June 4 for all the seats for voting is taking place through the 7 phases of Lok Sabha election. Now let's take a look at the list of constituencies in the second phase which will vote on April 26. There are 5 constituencies in Assam: Karimganj, Silchar, Mangaldoi, Nagaon and Kaliabor. 5 in Bihar: Kishanganj, Katihar, Purnia, Bhagalpur, Banka. 3 in Chhattisgarh: Rajnandgaon, Mahasamund, Kanker. 1 in Jammu and Kashmir, which is the Jammu seat. 14 in Karnataka: Udupi, Chikmagalur, Hassan, Dakshina Kannada, Chitradurga, Tumkur, Mandya, Mysore, Chamarajnagar, Bangalore Rural, Bangalore North, Bangalore Central, Bangalore South, Chikballapur, and Kolar. And all 20 in Kerala: Kasargod, Kannur, Vatakara, Wayanad, Kozhikode, Mallapuram, Ponnani, Palakkad, Alathur, Thrissur, Chalakudi, Ernakulam, Idukki, Kottayam, Alappuzha, Mavelikara, Pathanimitha, Kollam, Attingal, and Tiruvananthapuram. There are 7 seats in Madhya Pradesh: Tikamgarh, Damoh, Khajuraho, Satna, Rewa, Hoshangabad, and Betul. 8 seats in Maharashtra: Buldhana, Akola, Amravati, Wardha, Yavatmal Washim, Hingoli, Nanded, Parbhani. 1 in Manipur, which is the outer Manipur seat. 13 in Rajasthan: Tong Savai Madhopur, Ajmer, Pali, Jodhpur, Barmer, Jalore, Udaipur, Banswara, Chittorgarh, Rajasamand, Bhilwara, Kota, Jhalawar, Baran. 1 in Tripura, Tripura East. 8 in Uttar Pradesh: Amroha, Meerut, Bagpat, Ghaziabad, Gautam Budh Nagar, Aligarh, Mathura, Bulandshahr, and finally 3 in West Bengal: Darjeeling, Raiganj, and Balurhat. Now let us look at the list of key candidates in phase 2 of Lok Sabha election. Arun Govil of the BJP from Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. Replacing 3-time MP Rajendra Agarwal, who has been holding the Meerut seat since 2004, Arun Govil, famously known for portraying Lord Ram in Ramayan TV series, is set to contest for the MP seat of Meerut against BSP's Devrat Kumar Tyagi and SP's Sunita Verma in Lok Sabha election 2024. In the last 2 Lok Sabha elections of 2014 and 2019, Rajendra Agarwal from the BJP emerged victorious with significant margins against opposition from the BSP candidates. Hema Malini of the BJP from Mathura in Uttar Pradesh. The 2-time sitting MP and former member of Rajya Sabha, Hema Malini has represented the Mathura constituency from the BJP since 2014 and is seeking a hat-trick in the upcoming Lok Sabha election. She is contesting against Congress's Mukesh Dhangar, a member of the AICC. In 2019 Lok Sabha election, Hema Malini emerged victorious in Mathura with a huge margin. Om Birla of the BJP from Kota Bundi in Rajasthan. Om Birla, the current Speaker of Lok Sabha and 2-time MP from Kota, is representing the BJP. He is also eyeing a hat-trick of victories in the upcoming Lok Sabha election, facing Prahlad Gunjal from the Congress party. Kota, a stronghold of the Congress party, witnessed a shift towards the BJP when Birla won Kota Assembly in both 2014 and 2019.
बीजेपी को मुझे
Rahul
लग रहा
Gandhi,
था
Congress candidate from Wayanad in Kerala. Congress leader and sitting MP of Wayanad, Rahul Gandhi, is recontesting to retain his seat. This time around, Gandhi will face a formidable challenge with the CPI nominating Annie Raja and BJP fielding K. Surendran as opponents. In the previous 2019 election, Gandhi secured victory in Wayanad by a substantial margin of over 4 lakh votes against his closest rival, the CPI's PP Sunir. Bhupesh Baghel of the Congress from Rajnandgaon, Chhattisgarh. The former Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh and Congress leader Bhupesh Baghel is contesting from Rajnandgaon, a stronghold of the BJP for over 30 years. BJP has fielded Santosh Pandey, who is up against Baghel. Santosh Pandey won the last Lok Sabha election in 2019, succeeding Abhishek Singh, the son of former Chief Minister Raman Singh, also a member of the BJP. Baghel's entry into the electoral battleground of Rajnandgaon has made it a highly contested area. Tejasvi Surya, the young star of BJP from Bangalore South in Karnataka. Tejasvi Surya, the current MP of Bangalore South and national president of the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha since September 26, 2020, will be contesting for re-election in the 2024 election from the same constituency. Surya will face Congress candidate Soumya Reddy. Previously, in the 2019 Lok Sabha election, the BJP youth leader defeated its closest competitor, Congress candidate BK Hariprasad, by a huge margin of 3,31,192 votes. Shashi Tharoor, Congress candidate from Thiruvananthapuram, and Rajiv Chandrasekhar from the same seat in Kerala. Shashi Tharoor, a senior Congress leader and former union minister, has been a consistent winner of the Thiruvananthapuram seat in Kerala. After winning the seat in 2009 while defeating the Communist Party, which had won the previous two elections, Tharoor has held on to retain the seat, defeating the BJP in 2014 and 2019 Lok Sabha election, winning the seat by a significant margin. A former UN diplomat and one of the most popular Congress leaders in Kerala, Tharoor in the upcoming Lok Sabha election will be competing against Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar of the BJP and CPIM's Pannayan Ravindran. Thanks for watching the video. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel.